Hi, I'm Ken with Plexie, and I'm going to show you real fast how to make your first standard operating procedure, or SOP. Here are the 3 steps to making an SOP in Plexie. Let's get started. When you start writing your SOP, begin with a good template. A template's going to save you a ton of time. And because you're using Plexie, we make this easy. First, click Create. Give your Plexie a name. Click Create again. In the upper right, give your page a name. Then look below for the template you want to use and click Create. And you now have your SOP template, and you are already in edit mode. Go ahead and make it your own. Now keep in mind, people are not going to read your SOPs. They're going to scan them. You want to write your SOPs to be used in the moment. Use big fonts for the most important concepts. And make sure your pictures are helpful. This also means that you need to consider where and on what device your SOPs will be used. Let's move on to step 2, review. You're going to want to start with another expert. Make them a reviewer by clicking on the Share button at the top. Type in their email address and hit Enter. Plexie will email them, and when they sign in, they will be able to review and edit your SOP. Next, have an unbiased user try it out. If you don't want them to edit your SOP, just give them a shared link. Click on the Share button again, turn on link sharing, then copy the link. You can now paste that link into an email, text, or anywhere you want. Watch the person use the SOP in their natural setting. You'll know if there's a problem. Finally, release your SOP to the entire audience. Use that public link again. And that's it. You've created your first SOP in Plexie. Congratulations. I just have a couple more reminders for you. Create another page in your SOP by clicking on the plus sign at the top. As before, give it a name, select the template, and click Create. If you're creating a lot of SOPs, keep in mind that Plexie lets you organize them in separate Plexies and folders. You may want to create your own SOP templates to make the process even faster. This is a pro feature, and it may be worth the upgrade as you build more and more SOPs. Finally, feel free to reach out to us through the chat bubble in the lower right, or watch more videos on our Plexie YouTube channel. Good luck with your SOPs, and thanks for using Plexie.